Hey, what's going on, everybody? Philly P here, and with us today we have everything but the kitchen sink fountain. This is from Venom Fireworks, and it is 500 grams. All right, I would like to thank Mo over at Outlaw Pyro for giving me the opportunity to showcase this fountain. Let's get into the performance. It's a good sized fountain, by the way. It's got a big tube right here. I can feel all kinds of tubes in it. See them popping up right here. And over at Outlaw, you guys, he does sell wholesale and he also sells retail. So if this is a good one, I'm definitely going to go get a case of it. I have high hopes. Let's find the performance if it does have one. If not, we'll just get right into lighting it. Okay, I do see a performance down there. All right, you will be in love with everything but the kitchen sink fountain. This includes wonderful color pearls, titanium blasting flower, and ending with YW fan of jumbo crackling flowers with multicolored pearls. All right, and it is titanium 500 series. I see that right there. But yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, I do fireworks all year long. You guys make sure to subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And as always, light up that like button if you guys like this video. All right, let's get out there and let's check out everything but the kitchen sink from Venom Fireworks. All right, everything but the kitchen sink, you guys. Get a light. Let me get back a little bit. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, never mind. It just keeps going. Wow. Definitely picking up a case of those. That was everything but the kitchen sink, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Make sure to subscribe and light up that like button.